Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set up DeepSeek version 4 Flash free in OpenCode. Make coding easier and faster, no GPU, no limit. I have already installed Node.js on my PC. Let's check the Node version. Go to Windows Search. Type cmd. Click on Command Prompt. Type Node -v. Press Enter. See the Node version. Now check npm version. npm -v. Press Enter. npm version is 11.12.1. Now install OpenCode. Go to web browser. Go to search. Type here, download. OpenCode. Press Enter. Scroll down. Click OpenCode Download. Now OpenCode official website is open. Now copy this command. Minimize web browser. Go to Command Prompt. Paste the copied command here. Press Enter. OpenCode is installing. It will take few seconds. OpenCode is installed. Now I am going to run OpenCode. Type OpenCode. Press Enter. Now OpenCode is running. Current model is Big Pickle. I am going to change it. Type /model. Press Enter. You can see the free model here. Big Pickle. DeepSeek version 4. Mimo version 2.5. Nemotron 3 Super, free. I will select DeepSeek version 4. Hit Enter. Select variant. Default. Press Enter. DeepSeek model is selected. Let's test DeepSeek model. I am going to generate simple Hello World web page. Create a Hello World web page using HTML. And save it on desktop. Press Enter. Web page is created. Now you can see hello.html file appear on desktop. Let's double click on it. Click just once. As you can see, the Hello World web page is open. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to set up DeepSeek version 4 free model in OpenCode. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.